What's poppin' my day up, babies? JP.
My phone full of images. She don't waste time cause her time too limited. No, I play around, but she tired of the scrimmages. She said play around and I probably will finish it. But what your position is, let me know how. But she don't know, I was never really around. Check the scoreboard, you can't lock me down. Why you thinking then when you got me now? She said she tell by the horoscope. That stupid shit is not the reason that I'm horrible. You showing love or you showing something forgeable. I never talk so it was never really noticeable. You heard the phrase, I said it take one to know one. So if you say I'm doing something or you doing love, I overthink so I'ma love you, I'ma do it.
What's poppin' my day up, babies? Welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title, today's video will be a vloggy vlog, and it's gonna basically be a vlog of my vacation. I am about to be on my way to the airport. This is my bag. This is the outfit. It's a Juicy Couture Forever 21 set, and you know the shoes match the bag. And the coat. So I'm gonna be vlogging my trip to the Bahamas. So first we're gonna go to Florida for like two days, 3 days, two, I don't know, two and a half. Yeah, so we about to go on our flight. Our flight is at 6 and we about to go right now since it's 3 o'clock, and I'm gonna be basically vlogging my cruise and my vacation. I'm gonna miss my baby. I'm gonna miss my baby. You gonna miss me, Milo? He's already looking sad because I told him bye-bye. You know what bye-bye means. Papa, you okay? I'm gonna miss my boy. Because where are you guys going? Where are they going? Where are they going? The door's not even open yet.
How come yours came in early? Mine was in the front.
Evans, it don't matter. We're at the hotel. This is so pretty. Wow. Look at my nails. Wifey fingers. So this is my towel, not the hotel's towel. And this is my loofah because we gotta prepare yourself. So I'm gonna shower and get cute and dress and everything so that I can hop in the bed because I didn't want to hop in the bed with airport clothes on. So they having a party. I don't know what they listening to, but okay. I just finished taking a shower and now I can finally hop in the bed, and I'm just gonna chill until my food comes. But this is how we looking, okay? I'm just gonna be wearing straight PSD because we're just that girl, okay? I don't like having my hair out, so I'm probably gonna put my hair up in a bonnet because I really do not like having my hair out. And my eyebrows is done, nails done, wifey set. I keep switching off my phone and my camera, but whatever, yeah. So oh shit.
What time is it?
It's 8:24.
It's early, right?
My bonnet came off. Okay, y'all. When I had woke up, it was like 8 o'clock. It's like 11 now, and I ordered breakfast. I ordered food. I'm out here in my robe. But I ordered food, and my brother called them, and he asked, was that a fucking lizard? Yo, I forgot I'm in Florida, and this is normal to these people. So We kept trying to call the room service and downstairs, like the main office, and they was not picking up. So when they finally picked up, we had already ordered food, and they was like, oh, how we can have free breakfast for 2 people. And I'm like, bro, let me go cancel this Uber Eats right quick because it's free. They said no, still charging. You know how Uber Eats get when you try to cancel. So I said, yeah, I better go over there and get one of these, because I said the breakfast is free. Y'all better go get the breakfast right now. Even though we already ordered breakfast, it's free. Says, what the fuck is this? What the fuck? What the fuck? Don't tell Evans, guys, but this French toast looked better, so I'm gonna take this for me. He could have this one. It's got the same thing: pancakes, bacon, and eggs. So let's try this French toast. Came back with more food. Yeah, 2 bacon. Oh, let me get that strawberry bowl. Oh.
There's only one bowl.
Yeah, I'm not gonna eat all of this by myself. Oh, it's a mixture.
And like
Strawberry, watermelon, blueberries. What is that? What is that? This pineapples? Why would you put the pineapples in there?
I know.
I'll just take some bacon. Nah, this nigga put pineapples on everything. Yeah, we ordered a microwave. We're trying to get real comfortable, because I gotta heat up my chicken. I should have been recording. We laying down, everybody chilling. I'm like, when we go to the pool, everybody quiet. I'm like, let's go, everybody, let's go.
I'm the first nigga.
These niggas got up so quick.
I'm the first nigga.
So them motherfuckers was waiting on me to be like, oh, let's go to the pool.
You got your back.
Okay, so I am getting ready for the pool. So this is the outfit. Okay, now we talking. But this is the outfit. It's just a red bathing suit, and I got my Da Vinci slides, because I am just that girl. Because I'm gonna take pictures, so I'm gonna fix my hair, make sure everything is looking good, all the edges is in place. I don't know. I'm gonna just use wherever this goes. That's where it goes. You know, sometimes it be hard being that girl, but it's okay because I'm just that girl. You feel me? You feel me? The motherfuckers is looking at me. Hi, oh, fishies. Oh, they hungry. They opening their mouth. They like, bitch, feed me. Oh, we have the pool. We have the pool to ourselves. Oh, so there's a jet ski in the lake. Yeah, no. But basically right now we playing Marco Polo, and yes, I have the whatever this is called because it helps me swim. I can't swim.
Marco Polo. Marco Polo.
Yeah, I Marco.
Polo.
What the fuck? Marco.
Polo.
I'm gonna aim for everything so you can Marco.
Oh, look at that. Come on, drive his phone. Polo.
Say Polo, Evan.
Polo.
Marco.
Polo.
Polo. Marco.
Polo.
Marco.
Polo.
But he's this way.
Can't find the strap, man.
Damn. Marco.
Polo.
I can't go go that way. Isn't that way? That's the deep way. Marco?
Hello. Hello.
Marco?
Hello.
Hey, are you out the water?
No.
Are you sure?
Probably did.
Were you out the water?
No.
Marco?
Hello.
I'm about to clean my lashes, and I'm gonna do that by using my Lash Tech's foaming wash. So this is, you know, for your lashes. So that's what I always use to clean my lashes. Honestly, I cannot have my lashes looking dirty or feeling dirty. So, and on top of that, like, it actually helps with retention. Like, washing your lashes helps them last longer. I'm gonna go pack because tomorrow at 11 a.m. we leave for the cruise. Everybody took a shower after the pool. Jamesy and Evans took a nap. I didn't. I was up looking at the pictures I took today, so I can post them tomorrow. But right now I'm about to eat. Well, I already started eating because I'm a fatty. Sushi. We got the bento box, so it's the rice, the sushi, salad, and shrimp. But I thought it would have been more than this. Like, look at what is this, bro? What is that? But it's whatever. Good morning. So today is the third day because the first day we came here and yesterday was a full day and today's the third day. I just woke up. So today's the day that we get on the cruise and we have to check out at 11 a.m. and it's 9:55. It's checkout day. I didn't really get to show you guys the place where we were staying at, but this is how it was looking. Well, this is how it's looking. Look at the fishies. Bye. We need to feed y'all. We went into the golf cart. God damn. And you're supposed to be the one that's on a diet? Look at this.
When is vacation, you don't be in diet.
Look at my plate. I just have French toast, eggs, this thing, and bacon. A lot of bacon. And then this is the most, like, I just have a lot of fruits. So this is our Uber driver.
I appreciate you putting me in a vlog. God bless you and have a wonderful cruise.
Thank
God bless
you.
you guys. God bless you. God bless you guys. Have a good day.
Oh man, after being here for two hours, because we came here at 1, we're now finishing at 3. We're finally about to get on this fucking boat. Took us mad long to figure shit out. about this, y'all. I asked for ribs. Is this ribs? I thought ribs was like with the bone.
Yeah, that's rich.
Now this is more like it because, yeah.
You saw it? They can see?
They can see a little bit, but not really.
Damn,
It's literally pitch black.
that wave is nice.
It's day
You got hot dog.
2 on the boat.
And fries.
James Lee went and got me food. I got a burger, fries, pizza, ketchup, and mashed potatoes. About to fuck it up. God damn. Nah, I'm so scared. I mean, obviously not that scared. Like this. Oh shit. I walk on that edge. But I'm dead scared. I'm just holding everything tightly. We're going on the back of the boat. We just want to see what's down there. Huh? What? Oh shit. Oh my goodness. It's formal attire night and this is what I have on. A long little 2-piece set with these heels. And a matching bag to go. Everybody wearing black. You know, they gotta mix.
Let me give you a kiss. If you're single.
Yo, let's go. It's 6:57.
Wow, really?
Cause what are you talking about, bro? It's 6:57.
I just wanna know if
It's
you're single.
6:57.
Let me know. Call
It's 6.
1-800
It's 6.
Evans.
Evans, I'm trying to talk in the vlog. It's 6:57 and our reservation for dinner is 7 o'clock, so we gotta go. Huh? We're at dinner right now. Everybody's just looking good. Yeah, so let's see what's on today's menu. So we're back from eating. We ate good today. The food was delicious. My bag broke.
We didn't bring no food.
My bag broke. I'm about to go to a theater. So I'm gonna change to my Givenchy slides because those are way more comfortable. And after that we're gonna have a hush party. Okay, so we are in Grand Bahama Island and we're getting ready to get off the ship. My bathing suit for today, so I'm wearing green, but I'm about to take the top off because my cover up, well, the outfit that I'm actually wearing is orange, and this is gonna show. So I'm gonna take this off, so I could wear the other outfit on my way to the beach and coming back from the beach. But like when I'm on the beach, this is what I'm gonna be wearing. I honestly don't know how I feel about this outfit. Like, okay, so this is the outfit. This is the outfit today, guys. So today we're wearing orange, and when I get to the beach, I'll change the top to my bathing suit because I already have the bottoms on. Yeah, so where are we going?
The left side is the right side, and the right side is suicide. So what side do you want me to drive on? You want me to? She's suicidal. Tell me to get a straight jacket.
Suicide one.
Hi, in Bahamas. Our faith is Christian here on the islands. So we look here on this particular street. We have at least about 20 churches. Coming up on the left, is Mary Star of the Sea Catholic Church. The founder of Freeport was buried there as well. Under the Virgin Mary, yes. His name was Wallace Grove. You notice how all the students are all wearing uniforms, whether it's public or private. Left hand side for KFC. Anybody know the meaning of that? Heat from cooking.
None of them?
No.
Oh.
And my little one. My lashes look crazy because this wind is crazy, but it's okay. So they said, you know, over here it's 18 and up. My birthday next month. I turn 18 next month. Oh, this beat. So I got me a little drinky drink. Today I'm 18. Oh, I would. I got rice and peas, ribs, and my drinky drink. Hi, my little friend. How are you? I'm on my second cup. I'm gonna chug this so I could drink my third one. And I'm gonna chug that so I could get it. It's just that it got ice a lot, so I can't really chug it. This ain't have ice, I'll chug it.
That's good, man. Thank you.
I don't fucking pee on myself. Where did you say the bathroom is at? Found it. I just peed and I feel like I still have to pee. We're back on the boat. I just changed my two-piece set into a dress because this is a bathing suit dress cover up, so that's easier for me to put on. And I changed my slides because these match better. We better try to attempt to get in the hot tub, because all these fucking people's in the hot tub. They need to fucking get the fuck out so we could get in the hot tub. I brought it.
No. No?
No. So it's dinner time. This is pork belly tacos. I'm very nervous. I've never had pork belly. I don't know, it's like the bun is too soft. My waiter knows my taste buds. He already knew I wasn't gonna like that pork taco. He was like, you sure? He was like, I'm gonna get you the Caesar salad on the side just in case. Backup plan. You gotta eat the Caesar salad. I'm not eating that. James's plate looks so good. I'm getting that next. But this is my plate. I got grilled lamb chops with mashed potatoes.
I'll take some.
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna fuck this shit up.
Garbage. Just straight garbage.
No, try again. Come on.
3 break.
little bowl and like cover my face and spit out my gum. That shit was amazing. Yo, it's like even when I move out, I won't get a break from my fucking father. I'm overseas, all the way in the fucking island. You're in New York. Why are you calling me? Telling me to do shit for you overseas. I don't even have internet for real. How can I do all this shit that you want me to do? But yeah, it's really high and I'm loving it. I'm loving it.
Don't put it in the bag?
I'm about to put on sunscreen because in this one it's very, very hot. What? Cool beach. Sunny. And it's real hot. It's hot, steamy. I'm an alcoholic. I'm gonna go get me a drinky drink, okay? I need a drinky drink. I have to get my drinky drink. So I'm eating lunch and I got potato chips because they're not serving fries. They're serving potato chips in replacement of see that fly? That fly's bothering me. Move away. They're serving potato chips instead of fries. That shit feels heavy already.
Huh?
It feels heavy already.
I can get out.
The nigga's stuck. He's stuck. Yo. Finally out, guys.
Today, the lady is fucked up, man. I need McDonald's, buddy.
You say you need McDonald's?
No,
You say you need
I
McDonald's?
said I want some McDonald's. Bro, this menu.
That's a big ass ship, yo. This shit is bigger than ours.
I'm gonna have fun with you guys. I'm gonna treat you wrong today. At the end of this tour, you're gonna be more local than me. You're probably gonna call me Cousin Leon at the end of this tour.
Oh, we're all right calling you Cousin Leon.
Yeah, hey, I like it. All right, guys. Oh yeah. So behind this pink and white wall is the Governor General's home. Once elected as the Governor General of the Bahamas, this is where you would have to live. The Governor General is higher than the Prime Minister on this island. He has his own tennis court, his own ballroom.
218 you can drink. What is this? That's a sweet bread. Strawberry. Oh. Jam strawberry. Oh. Jam strawberry? No, I don't like it. Oh. Is it? Thank you. Sorry. I'm very, I thought something happened. No, it's too sweet.
We got some socks you need.
Some what? Some socks?
Socks.
Anybody go? Gonna make your way on in here, give you a small cube of chocolate to sample, and feel free to browse from there as well.
Just want to get inside there because it looks so nice. It looks like how they be looking in New York.
Christmas around the corner, A lot of folks would purchase them for souvenirs or even gifts for some of their loved ones. Pretty good? I like it, huh? Oh yeah. What flavor you got? Mango. The mango, that's the newest flavor to the Tortuga brand. It's called the Overproof. So if you're thinking about pranking a friend at home, the Overproof is volume at 150 proof. We talking about 75% alcohol. When she shot that girl goat pepper too. Since she 18, we can clean her wrong.
I thought there was only 3.
That was too little.
There we go. Put that goat pepper in that.
2, and then you
Double up, right? Double. All right. She say no. She say you good.
I'm telling you, like.
Nah, this one hot.
Yes, this is 18 here, but over there, even though it's 21, like, trust me, I can handle this.
All right. Sound like me. I had hair on my chest from I was 12.
This one was the ghost pepper.
Portland's Rum Distillery.
Where's Junkaroo?
It's in the further in the inner city, and that's where we'll be doing that cultural experience.
Okay.
Oh yeah, at the Junkanoo Museum.
Which one is this one?
That's lemon. That's hibiscus.
What is this?
Lemongrass.
I'll take this.
Coastal sense.
It's just tea.
Yeah, soursop, lemongrass, and hibiscus. I'm okay.
All right. Oh, God.
After he suffered a fatal gunshot wound to the liver. We decided to name our distillery after him because Strong was known as a pious pirate. This well was hand cut and chiseled off from limestone, therefore it filters out the water on its own naturally. Hi everyone, so this is the John Walling's distillery. You're more than welcome to take photos and videos, that's entirely fine. Please don't flash the property. Using some type of sugarcane byproduct. All of our
Look at the chicken.
It's called the Junkanoo Museum, located in the inner city. Alright, if you have a vicious dog, you'll have to keep him either chained. In the cage, you got 2 goats. One of them is Michael Jordan.
He's so cute.
They got one time ago we didn't have no wheels, but now they have 2 wheels underneath. Then the whole costume, and they go ladder, but they can't fit me up.
Of the costumes used in the parades. Now they off at the distillery. Alright, so that's your wings. How does it feel? Not too heavy, right?
Not too heavy, but they gotta wear this the whole time. Hold it, right?
Oh.
They go in the main costume.
There we go.
Yeah.
Hold on. We're gonna go all out. That's not ready as yet. I gotta get you a scarf. Well, actually, there's a rope that we tie it together on their body, so they use no hands. But you gotta hold it with. Hey, you ready for the parade? Hold that shield right from here. There we go.
Oh my gosh.
It'll be hot.
Right?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, look at Captain.
Anybody else who like to try a
Thursday. And my phone is destroyed right now, so. Go. You're gonna learn today. You got this. You're not doing it? Alright, get down then. I got you. Look, push your back outside. Look, do this. You got it?
No, bro.
Who's your legs? Can't jump?
You can, you just gotta get ready. What's up, y'all? So today is the last day on an island. So we are at Coco Cay, which is like an island for Royal Caribbean cruises. So they take us here on the last day, and it's basically like a water park on the island. So it's like a full water park. Like it got like 4 pools or maybe more. They got swimming with pigs, I think. They got snorkeling. They have jet skiing, zip lining, water slides, food, all that shit. So we're here, but that's what we're doing today. Bro, I just have everything on my plate, like everything. Perfect day at Coco Cay.
The water, you're saving me or not?
Huh?
If I somehow slip in the water, you're saving me or not?
No, sorry.
No.
Where do we get our cabana?
Are you going to your phone there?
Oh, be honest, what's wrong?
You're right. Oh my god.
We're just watching.
No, we're not. No.
She's doing better than me. No, she's not.
I think she did.
Well,
Ready? And go.
And go. Look at Jamesy right there, guys. Jamesy, you having fun? Where's Kalia? Hi, chicken. Hi, chicken. Don't be scared, girl. I'm not gonna eat you. I just came back from the water park. I didn't really vlog that much because I was having too much fun. But let's just say I got my hair wet and actually hair got wet. You just drowned?
I'm dead ass. The pool? I was like,
you're 6 foot.
How you get drowned?
6 foot and 5 inches.
What? Why would you go that deep if you know you're 6'1"?
No.
Hey, look.
I mean, 6
I'm
foot
good
tall.
at that shit, yo.
My stomach was like this. Now I'm like this. The 6 pounds I gained went to my fucking stomach. I promise you my stomach was flatter. I was never able to push my stomach out like this. I promise you, bro. It looks like I'm fucking 3 months pregnant. Nope. What's up, y'all? So it's the last day and it's 12:23. Oh, I'm so mad. I'm supposed to be, don't mind the bed. Oh, I'm supposed to be in New York right now. Like, in around now, or like in 30 minutes, I would be landing. Because my flight was at 9 a.m. or 8:55. So yeah, 9 a.m. And we missed it. Why did we miss it? Because we're still in the middle of fucking nowhere. I was at 9 a.m. and we have been in the same position, like in the same place, without moving since last night because it's so foggy outside. You can't see anything, so they cannot drive the ship. We don't know when this fog is gonna go away. We don't know anything. I look a hot fucking mess, but our flight was at 8:55. It delayed to 9:50, and then it delayed again to 10:23. So we eating Wendy's. Jamesy's over there waiting for his order. I'm about to fuck this shit up, y'all. I'm about to fuck this shit up. I'm fucking tired.